In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Notion. If you're a Notion user, you know how powerful and versatile this application can be for organizing your notes, tasks, and more. But sometimes, despite its capabilities, things can seem a bit cluttered. That's why the ability to create columns is such a useful feature. It allows you to make better use of the space on your page and visually compartmentalize your information. Today, we're going to walk through this process step by step. To begin with, you'll need two blocks in your Notion page. Blocks are the building blocks of Notion's architecture and can be anything from simple text and images to more complex elements like databases or lists. If you don't have blocks yet, don't worry. You can easily create them by typing directly onto the page. For instance, you might have some paragraphs of text, a to-do list, an image, or even a database that you're working with. Once you have your two blocks set up on your page, it's time to get into the column creation process. First, locate the little handle to the left of the block. This is the handle, and it allows you to move block weights around on your page. Click and hold this handle. You'll notice that the block becomes ready to move. Drag the block to the right of the other block. As you do so, pay attention to the indicators on your screen. The key part of creating columns successfully is to look for a vertical blue line. This blue line appears momentarily to indicate that you are correctly positioning your block to create a column. Once you see this line, you'll know that your blocks are aligned correctly for column creation. At this point, you simply release your mouse button, and the block will snap into place alongside the other one, forming a new column on your page. A couple of tips to ensure smooth sailing. If you're struggling to get the blocks aligned, try experimenting with starting positions or angles. The exact coordination can take a bit of practice. Also, ensure you have enough space where you're trying to create a column. Sometimes zooming out slightly or adjusting window size can help with precision. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created columns in Notion, which will not only help in neatly organizing information, but also enhance your page's readability and aesthetic appeal. Explore further by mixing different types of blocks. Whether they're text, images, or lists, you can easily create a tailored view to meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you harness the full power of Notion's layout capabilities.